Hello, I am Tiffany Bosley. I am a veteran teacher of over 20 years. My background is in high school social studies, although I have taught middle and high school social studies. I am presently enrolled in LSU, trying to obtain my educational specialist certification. Um, a little bit about myself is I am the mother of two boys. Uh, we are a family of college students. So, as I work on my educational specialist certification, my oldest son is working on his master's in um, business administration, and my youngest son is in his final semester um, in political science, looking to possibly go on to law school. So we are a family who really know the importance of an education and hard work. Um, my background in education is I taught for 17 years in one parish, and then just recently I taught an additional uh, 4 years in another small parish where I taught Journey to Careers, and then, of course, middle school social studies. Um, I think that my background in education has um, basically formed in me the importance of um, over overseeing our students, especially those who are possibly living in poverty. So most of my classrooms were of students who